Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today we will learn everything about motor vehicle insurance. We will cover: what is motor vehicle insurance? Why is it compulsory in India? Types of insurance. Major insurance companies. Motor Vehicle Act. Accident claim procedure. Loss assessor role. Vehicle loss assessment process. Watch till the end because this knowledge can save you thousands of rupees during an accident. 1. What is motor vehicle insurance? Motor vehicle insurance is a contract between the vehicle owner and the insurance company. The vehicle owner pays a premium and in return the insurance company provides financial protection against accidents, theft, fire, natural disasters, third-party injury, third-party property damage. Insurance reduces the financial burden when unexpected events happen. 2. Why is motor vehicle insurance required in India? Motor insurance is compulsory under Indian law. Reasons. Legal requirement. Every vehicle using public roads must have at least third-party insurance. Financial protection. Accidents can result in huge repair costs. Protection for victims. If your vehicle injures someone, insurance helps compensate the victim. Peace of mind. Vehicle owners can drive without worrying about major financial losses. 3. History of motor vehicle insurance in India. Motor insurance started in India during the British period. The Motor Vehicles Act was introduced in 1939. The Motor Vehicles Act, 1988 modernized road transport regulations. Today insurance is regulated by the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, IRDAI. Insurance has become an important part of vehicle ownership. 4. Types of motor vehicle insurance. A. Third-party insurance. This is mandatory by law. Covers injury to another person, death of another person, damage to another person's property. Does not cover your own vehicle damage. Approximate annual premium. Bike, 500 rupees to 2000 rupees. Car, 2000 rupees to 10,000 rupees. B. Comprehensive insurance. Provides wider protection. Covers third-party liability, own vehicle damage, theft, fire, flood, cyclone, earthquake. Approximate annual premium. Bike, 1,500 rupees to 10,000 rupees. Car, 8,000,50,000 plus. Depends on vehicle value and age. C. Standalone own damage policy. Covers only your vehicle damage. Used along with third-party insurance. D. Add-on covers. Additional protection. Zero depreciation cover. Engine protection cover. Roadside assistance. Return to invoice cover. Consumables cover. Major motor insurance companies in India. Public sector companies. New India Assurance. United India Insurance. National Insurance Company. Oriental Insurance. Private companies. ICICI Lombard. Bajaj Allianz General Insurance. HDFC Argo. Tata AIG. Reliance General Insurance. SBI General Insurance. 6. Important Motor Vehicle Acts. Key provisions of the Motor Vehicles Act. Registration. Every vehicle must be registered. Driving license. Driver must have a valid license. Insurance. Third-party insurance is compulsory. Pollution certificate. Valid PUC certificate required. Safety rules. Seat belt mandatory. Helmet mandatory for two-wheelers. No drunk driving. Violations can result in heavy penalties. 7. Risks covered under motor insurance. Insurance protects against road accidents, vehicle theft, fire, floods, earthquake, cyclones, third-party liability, riot and strike damage. Some exclusions. Drunk driving, invalid driving license, mechanical breakdown, normal wear and tear. 8. Motor Vehicle Service Regulations. While repairing an insured vehicle, use authorized workshops when possible. Inform insurer before major repairs. Obtain repair estimate. Keep bills and invoices. Follow insurer guidelines. Failure to follow procedures may delay claims. Accident Vehicle Claim Procedure. Suppose your vehicle meets with an accident. Step 1. Ensure safety of passengers. Step 2. Take photographs and videos. Step 3. Inform police if required. Step 4. Inform insurance company immediately. Step 5. Submit policy copy, RC book, driving license, claim form, FIR if applicable. Step 6. Insurance company appoints a surveyor loss assessor. Step 7. Vehicle inspection conducted. Step 8. Repair approval issued. Step 9. Vehicle repaired. Step 10. Claim settled. 10. Loss assessor surveyor role and responsibilities. A loss assessor is an independent professional appointed by the insurance company. Responsibilities. Inspect damaged vehicle. Verify accident details. Estimate repair cost. Check policy coverage. Prevent fraud. Prepare assessment report. Recommend claim amount. The surveyor plays a vital role in fair claim settlement. 11. Motor Vehicle Loss Assessment Procedure. Inspection. Physical examination of vehicle. Documentation check. Verification of RC, DL, insurance policy, repair estimate, damage analysis, determine accident-related damage, repair cost assessment, estimate labor and spare parts cost, depreciation calculation, apply policy depreciation rules, final report, submit report to insurance company, claim approval. Insurance company approves payable amount. Insurance companies calculate the motor insurance premium based on the risk associated with the vehicle, driver, and usage. The higher the risk, the higher the premium. Factors affecting motor insurance premium. Vehicle value, IDV. Insured declared value is the current market value of the vehicle. New expensive car is equal to higher premium. Old vehicle is equal to lower premium. Example. Car worth 5 lakh rupees lower premium. Car worth 20 lakh rupees higher premium. Vehicle type. Different vehicles have different risk levels. Motorcycle, private car, commercial vehicle, taxi, truck, bus. Commercial vehicles usually have higher premiums because they are used more frequently. Vehicle age. New vehicles generally have higher IDV. Older vehicles have lower value and lower premiums. 4. Engine capacity, CC. For two-wheelers and some policy categories. Lower CC is equal to lower premium. Higher CC is equal to higher premium. Example: 100 cubic centimeters bike lower premium. 650 cubic centimeters bike higher premium. Location of registration. Premium may vary based on where the vehicle is registered. Cities with heavy traffic, higher accident rates, higher theft rates usually attract higher premiums. Examples include major metro cities like Mumbai, Delhi, and Bengaluru. Vehicle usage: personal use, commercial use, taxi service, goods transport. More usage generally means greater risk and higher premiums. Claim history. Insurance companies look at previous claims. No claims, lower premium. Frequent claims, higher premium. No claim bonus, NCB. If no claim is made during a policy year, the owner gets a discount. Typical NCB progression: 1 year, 20%. 2 years, 25%. 3 years, 35%. 4 years, 45%. 5 years, 50%. Add-on covers. Additional covers increase the premium. Examples: zero depreciation cover, engine protect cover, roadside assistance, return to invoice cover. More coverage is equal to higher premium. Anti-theft and safety devices. Vehicles equipped with anti-theft devices, GPS tracking, advanced safety systems may receive discounts because they reduce risk.